Here comes some shop adventures with Salty Badger. I'm going to work on bleeding the brakes on my son's bike, project bike, see if we can get that going. The issue that we're having is these fittings that we got, they're really nice fittings, but it's just not making the seal. What I've determined that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fitting off here. It's bottoming out before it can get to here. I think I can get away with my plan, which I'm going to try first. And I'm going to take you guys along for that. So my plan is to run the same fittings. We got to check the depth. But when this is tightened down, it loses this swivel here because the flare has to seal. This fitting is not deep enough for this flare. So it's a Sunday. I've determined that I'm going to use a belt sander. Not a fan of where I had to go to get something on a Sunday here. Let's see what's inside the box together. Got my sticker board there. I haven't got it put up yet. Just working on that. Start adding stickers to it. But if any of you guys got stickers out there and you want to send them, I'll add them to the board. Yeah, I'm an orange fan, so that's one thing it's got going for it. They always offer that extended plan on tools when you buy them. How many of you guys buy that plan? Half the time for what you pay for the price of this stuff when it's at those stores. For the little jobs I do, it should last. If it doesn't last, I'm not going to buy it again. I'm not going to want to warranty it. So, and they won't ever give you your money back. They just want to give you another tool. It goes with my orange vise. Before I spend a bunch of time putting it together, let's make sure it does what it's supposed to right out of the box. Turn on. It does. We're good. We had to modify it just a tad bit, make things a little more sturdy. It definitely is cheaply made. I really didn't expect much out of the box, where it came from and who it's made by. We're going to make it work. What I did, measurement with dial indicator from the base, and we got to take off a little bit of this coupler side of it. But if this doesn't work, I am okay with it because I'll have to buy new fittings either way. But it's Sunday and I would like to get the brake fittings bled. So I got to move you guys. Alright, we got you moved, and we're going to turn this on. I'm not sure how loud it's going to be. Take off a little more. Much better. Love it when a plan comes together. Now I got to do another one. Here we go. I got a little different angle for when I do this front one here. Show you how this works. I'm actually kind of satisfied with it. Does the job well. Yeah, it's going to get a little loud. Alright guys, got you back. Can't see much. I can cover some stuff up, so I still hide the bill a little bit. Want to do a big reveal of it. Please see from some other pictures that it is usually covered or hidden. Have to follow along if you want to see it when it's done. It has been hard, like I've said before, to keep it off from social media. But on the same token, it'll be a lot more fun to do a big reveal. That being said, we'll just put this fitting. This is the PTFE hose for. Now we're going to test it to see if what we did here was right. Oh yeah, I like that a lot better. I was able to get it a lot tighter and actually feel it sealing.